Few moments in the garden feel as magical as spotting a hummingbird mid-flight, sipping nectar like a flying jewel. Want to bring that magic into your own garden? I'm Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm, and the good news is you can with just a few smart choices in planting and layout. Hummingbirds love tubular, nectar-rich blooms. Bright reds, oranges, and pinks are their go-to colors, especially in salvia, penstemon, bee balm, and coral honeysuckle. Plant your plants in clusters, not just single flowers. Hummingbirds prefer larger feeder zones where they can gather more nectar with less effort. Create layers in your garden and height with vines and shrubs, and give them places to perch between feedings. A bonus tip, hummingbirds love water. A bubbler or mist feature is an irresistible oasis. And if you're in California or the West Coast, you're likely to meet a year-round visitor, Anna's hummingbird. With a dazzling pink throat and crown, Anna's hummingbird is a bold, curious, and right at home in your garden. They're one of the few species that doesn't migrate, so they stick around even in winter. These tiny dynamos even nest in gardens, using spider silk to weave camouflaged cups no larger than a walnut. Feeders are great. Just use a 1-to-4 sugar water mix, skip the red dye, and clean weekly to keep your visitors safe. With the right plants, clean water, a little planning, your garden can become a hummingbird haven alive with color, movement, and the buzz and hum of wings. Subscribe for more Master Gardener tips.